This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the axes precisely so every bar will measure correctly. Pick a scale that fits your highest value. If the max is 120, choose one box equals 5 for neat spacing. Mark tick marks at equal intervals and label units on the vertical axis. Once done, write the category names along the horizontal axis, centered under each perspective bar, and leave clear margins for a legend and source note so the final graph reads cleanly. You now translate numbers into measured heights. Measure from the baseline up using your chosen scale so each bar reflects the value accurately. Draw each bar with the same width and the same spacing to avoid visual bias. Use a ruler for straight edges. Once drawn, fill bars with consistent color or hatch patterns to signify groups. Make sure to write the exact value above each bar for immediate reading, which helps viewers compare quantities quickly. You finish by verifying every detail. Check that the scale, axis labels, and title match the data and that the tallest bar fits well on the sheet. Add a legend and source note, plus subtle horizontal grid lines if they improve readability. If bars look crowded, reduce their width or increase spacing. If values seem off, remeasure with the ruler and recount tick intervals. One tip: if bars overlap, decrease width by about 10 to 50% and recenter each category.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.